Hi, and welcome to ACES Centre. This is the Unit of Competency ICAB 5226B, Apply Advanced Object Oriented Language Skills. For more information about this unit, please contact us at www.acescentre.com.au. This unit contains the following elements: develop client or server application, develop GUI, build web-enabled applications, debug code, test application, and document system. Element 1. Develop client-server application. This element contains the following performance criteria: build and test simple client-server applications. Make use of the features of the language that enable inter-process communication through at least one mechanism. Make use of the features of the language that enable remote procedure calls, RPC, using a class that is based on multiple inheritances. Build programs using classes that are based on nested classes. Element 2. Develop GUI. This element contains the following performance criteria: use the facilities within the target language to implement advanced GUI features, including but not limited to drag and drop, help files, and 2D graphics. Element 3. Build web-enabled applications. This element contains the following performance criteria: code within an existing architectural framework and implement server-side code to run a simple web-enabled application that includes data transfer between client and server and is standard for the object-oriented target language. Implement the necessary client-side code to run a simple web-enabled application that includes data transfer between client and server and is standard for the object-oriented target language. Describe the concept of design patterns that the architectural framework uses. Element 4. Debug code. This element contains the following performance criteria: use standalone debugging tools or tools provided by integrated development environment to examine running code. Detect logical and coding errors using debugger, and use tracing of code and examination of variable contents during execution to detect and correct errors. Element 5. Test application. This element contains the following performance criteria: design and document tests to be undertaken. Undertake limited testing of produced code to ensure program specification is complied with, and document test results. Element 6. Document system. This element contains the following performance criteria: demonstrate adherence to guidelines for developing maintainable code and company or institutional coding standards. Read and interpret supplied design documents to create code. Create and maintain program documentation, and ensure that user documentation in the form of online help is built into applications. If you need any more information about the performance criteria for this unit of competency, please contact us at www.acescentre.com.au. The required knowledge for this unit is as follows: architecture of a framework for web-enabled application development, inter-process communication, large-size application development, use of third-party supplied code, testing techniques as applied to distributed application development, and documentation techniques. The required skills for this unit are as follows: reading and interpreting design specifications, translating requirements from problem space to machine space, writing a GUI to effectively interact with operator, web-enabled application development, client-server application development, integrated development environment usage, programming techniques, internal code documentation techniques, debugging techniques, and documentation techniques. This is the end of the relevant information for this unit. If you require any more information about this unit, please contact us at www.acescentre.com.au. Thank you.